Nvidia's AI revolution and the rise of the droids. AI is reshaping the world, and Nvidia's CEO Jensen Huang just spent 3 hours explaining how, alongside a Star Wars inspired droid. Yes, really. At Nvidia's packed AI developer conference, Huang announced a major partnership with Google DeepMind and Disney Research to develop an open source physics engine called Newton. This will help robots to handle complex tasks with greater precision, starting with Disney's next generation entertainment robots. These aren't just theme park animatronics anymore, they're expressive, interactive and evolving fast. Huang emphasises a massive shift in computing, from retrieving information to AI actually understanding, reasoning and generating responses. In short, AI isn't just a tool, it's an agent that can think and act. To keep up with demand, Nvidia is investing in AI factories designed to process data at unprecedented speeds. And with the launch of their new Blackwell Ultra AI chip in 2005, they're pushing computer power even further. Despite the excitement, Nvidia's stock dipped 3.4% today, proof that even groundbreaking tech can't escape market volatility. GTC runs all week, promising big announcements, and with AI advancing this fast, today's sci-fi is quickly becoming tomorrow's reality. And that's it for your robot news update for today. Don't forget to join me for my weekly live Robot Optimized workshop if you're interested in learning more about robotics and the latest trends for business. Also, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on future updates. I'm RoboPhil from Robot Philosophy, and I'll see you next time.